life is a continuous process of hard work, of ambition, of dreams, of hope, and of struggles, of challenges, of recovering from these challenges. So today I wanted to talk about my history of back pains and sciatica. In 2017, I broke my back. I had a slipped disc, according to my doctor. So that was hard because I could not move. It took me 2.5 hours to sit up just to have my lunch. It would take me half an hour to an hour to just switch from one side to another as I lay down. I'd say I healed completely in 6 months because by November, I joined my youngest daughter and we enrolled in gym. That was a wake-up call for me. I said, I think I should start taking care of my body, and my goal was to lose weight and to have stronger bones. I would go on the treadmill for 40 minutes, an hour, but of course before that I would do 5 minutes, very gradual. That was the start of my fitness journey, and I was very proud of myself. As a matter of fact, I would join my youngest daughter in hikes. I would join my eldest daughter in her Zumba classes. So that was me after a very, very serious backache, back injury where I could hardly move. And then 2020, in February, I was at work and I was trying to reach for all these files above my head, pushing them, lifting them with just one hand, my left hand. And that was how I felt my back injury return. And this time I had a broken shoulder blade, tendons and all that stuff. And again, my slip disc probably recurred. And it was COVID time. Right after that, 2 weeks into that, COVID started. And I couldn't go to the hospital. Everything was closed. I had sciatica as well. And so that was another pain because I could not walk. Aside from my back injury, I could not walk for the life of me. I had to slowly drag myself, and just a little bit, just a few inches movement to the left or to the right caused excruciating pain. And I thought, like, that was when I really was so devastated. I almost went into depression. And I was able to put together a few exercises that I could do, because if you're in pain, you don't want to keep going. You have to only exercise as far as your body will allow you, as long as there's no pain, because you do not want to injure yourself any further. But I had to go on the exercises because I didn't want my body to finally shut down, my muscles to harden, and I would not be able to move. So that was my biggest fear. And today I'm going to share with you the exercises that helped me. If there's anyone out there who is going through sciatic pain or back pains or things like that, hopefully some of my exercise will help you at least slowly get moving. Of course, you have to consult your doctor, you have to consult your therapist before you do any of the exercises that I'm going to show you. They are very basic though, and they are the ones that got me through. And I was able to finally walk in the park in June. So that was a really long time. But see, I'm here, I'm up and running, I'm dancing again. As usual, I'm doing my hip hop and my exercises, my Latin dances. I am just so happy to be able to move again. So that explains why, for me, moving, exercise, dance, walking, running, mean so much to me. That's why they all mean so much to me, because it's not just about staying fit. It's not just about being healthy. It's because I have been through so much pain, and to be able to do these things again is almost like I am renewed, like my life is starting from scratch. And I promise you that as long as we are alive, as long as we take care of our bodies, as long as we have the determination to, survive and recover from pain, from illness, we can do it. Because nothing should really stop us, not even injury, not even pain, from trying to get back our lives slowly but surely. Believe in yourself and trust the doctors, trust authorities, trust people that know. Take advice positively, and don't be afraid to try new things. Never give up on yourself. Never give up on your dreams, and never think that just because you're ill, just because you're injured, just because you have some disability, you can't do anything or you can't get back your life, because you can. And I am very careful. I make sure that when I practice, when I rehearse, when I work on my high cardio routines, I wear my support belt so that I do not injure myself, because again, I don't want a third back injury. And also, take your time before you do any strenuous exercises. Warm up. Warm up is very, very important. Don't go for the quick moves right away. Make sure you do a little bit of a warm up, even if it's 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So yes, I am just so happy to share my journey with you. That was 2017, it's 2021. I am back, enjoying the freedom that I have right now, being creative and sharing my story, sharing my determination with all of you, because nothing should cause us misery as long as we know we are alive, we are healthy, we eat healthy, we have people around us who love us, who care for us. Stay strong, stay healthy. Never take injury for granted. Never take illness for granted. Life is precious. Life is valuable. We want to live, love, laugh, and enjoy whatever it is that life offers. And that's my special message today. Bye for now.